How to get $100 Shein promo code. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Here we go. At the top you will see the search box. Over there type in Shein promo code and search for it. With that, different website links will appear. Using any of these websites, you can easily get working promo code for Shein. So go ahead and open any of these. For instance, I'm gonna open this one, Time Magazine. After you open it, you're gonna find amazing deals and offer. You can see that 90% offer, 10% coupon code, 20% coupon code, and many more. Hit towards any of the coupon code that you wanna use. Just go ahead and click on Show Coupon. Make sure to check the expiration date of the coupon code, whether it is valid or not. If it is valid, you can copy it. Then click on View Discount at Shein. With that, you will be directed to the official website of Shein. Now you can log into your account. Browse through the items, select the items that you want to purchase. While you proceed to checkout, over there you will find the section of promo code. Over there paste the code and confirm your order. With that, you'll get the discount. Likewise, you can also try out other offers. As in this page, you're going to find tons of offers. You can see that. Also, make sure to go through these websites, as these websites will also provide you working promo code for Shein. Well, this way you can easily get up to $100 Shein promo code. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.